Good day, everybody. Today we've got a 2006 International 9200i ISX Cummins 400 horse 10-speed Eaton Fuller transmission, 358 on the gear ratio. It does have a one-way wet kit or a one-line wet kit. .170-inch wheelbase, tall 22.5 tires, brand new caps. Truck came off the West Coast, pretty clean. Very little rust at all. We've been completely through it. Whatever it needed, we did it. It's serviced, DOT inspected. 247,000 miles on the truck. The hours are 12,663. Take that times 30. That's the standard rule. You got 379,000 miles, more or less, so to speak. That's what they determine for engine miles. But 247,000 miles on the truck. It's a good unit. DOT inspected, it's ready to go. Give us a call.